Hi, today I am going to give you a demo on how to do a custom sort in Power BI. So let's switch over to the screen. So let's consider this data set, right? So this data set has these columns, right? So customer name, profit, ship mode, shipping cost, and unit price. Now I want to create a graph wherein it shows what, grouped by shipping mode. I want to see what the profit is. So if you can see here in the graph, delivery truck I have this much of profit, express I have this much of profit, regular app I have this much of uh, profit. So now the problem comes like I want to sort this in a particular order. So I don't want it to be random. So I want to sort this at a particular order. So here, if you can see, there are three dots. I'm clicking these three dots, and I get an option called sort axis. Now I have to select as per which metrics I want to sort. So I want to sort by profits. I'm just selecting profits. So automatically it got sorted with ascending order. I can just change the order to descending by clicking here, or else I can just sort with another matrix itself. I can sort it with shipping mode. It will sort it in a ascending order in for shipping mode. But there comes one more problem, right? So I want to have a manual sort logic to sort this particular data. So I'll show you how to do a manual sort here. So to do a manual sort, we have to create a data set first. So to have a sort order, so let me create a data set. So by clicking enter data, so let me show it to you. So yeah, so I'm naming this particular table as sort. Okay, and the column name is ship mode, and the next column is sort. So first thing, I want to sort express air as first, and then I want to sort regular air, and delivery truck as three. I'm loading this particular data set. So once I load the data set in my Power BI, automatically it will try to create a relationship with the existing table. So let me show you this. So yeah, if you can see here, it already created a relationship. Let us check what the relationship is. I'm just double clicking this particular line between these two tables. Uh, Already there is a relationship of many to one and single. So this relationship is correct, and I have to make ensure that it is active. So click OK. Now let's go here. So I have two tables. Now I have to bring the sort order to the sample data from where I am creating this particular graph, right? So I'm going here. So there are two ways to do it. Or either use a lookup formula, or I can use a related formula. So I'm going to show you how to use a related field here. So I'm going to create a new column. Okay. I'm going to name this column as sort. Okay. Equal to related of sort. As I have already defined the relationship, this related of sort, what it will give is the sort order directly from the second table. Yeah, let's see, check here. So express app I'm getting one, regular app I'm getting two, and delivery truck I'm getting three. So after doing this also, my graph is not sorted in that particular order. First comes regular app, next comes express app. So I'm going to do one more operations on this. So I am going to select ship mode, right? I have selected this ship mode. Now I'm going to go to an option called sort by column, and I have to sort it by sort, right? I have one column called sort. Yeah. Once I do it, let me come back to my table. Yeah. So it's already sorted, right? So I have to go here. Sort access is ship mode, and yeah, if you can see here, express air came first, regular air came next, and delivery truck came third. So this is how we have defined the sort order. So express air first, regular air second, delivery track as 3. Now if I have to change the sort order, I can just do it by changing this particular column itself. Right? Let's say go to edit query, source, change the source. Now I am going to make this as 3 and make this as 2. Yeah. So first is express R, second is delivery track, and third is regular R. So once I do that, first is express R, second is delivery track, and third is regular R. So this is how we do a manual sort in Power BI. So if you like my videos, click like button. If you want to see more such videos, click subscribe button. Thanks.